Hello everyone, let's learn colors. First, red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, blue color, pink color, violet color, brown color and black color. Come, now let's draw using these colors. First, I am drawing hexagon. Next, we'll draw star shape. Next, I am drawing triangle shape. Now let's draw heart shape. Next will be the square. And the last one is circle. Now let's color it. I am coloring hexagon using violet color. Red color for the heart. I am coloring star using yellow color. Let's color square with pink color. I am coloring triangle with green. Let's fill the circle with blue color. Wow, it's done! Hexagon, star, triangle, heart, square and circle. Bye bye. See you on my next video.